Hey everyone, it's Scotty, and today we're going to be talking about the species Istius brasiliensis, also known as the cookie cutter shark. To start off, let's talk about their physical anatomy. The cookie cutter shark has an elongated cigar-shaped body with a short, bulbous, rounded snout, and is a brownish color, with it being darker brown on top and lighter on bottom. The males usually grow up to about 14 inches, while the females grow up to 16 inches. The nostrils on the shark have a very short flap of skin in front. The large, oval green eyes are placed forward on the head. Behind the large eyes are big spiracles located on the upper portion of the head. There are 30 to 37 tooth rows in the upper jaw and 25 to 31 tooth rows in the lower jaw, increasing with body size. The upper and lower teeth are extremely different. The upper teeth are small, narrow, and upright, and the lower teeth are also smooth-edged but much larger, with their bases interlocking to form a single saw-like cutting edge. The pectoral fins are short and are like trapezoids. The two spineless dorsal fins are on the far back on the body, the first one just ahead of the pelvic fins, and the second one located just behind them. The second dorsal fin is slightly larger than the first, and the pelvic fins are larger than either. The anal fin is absent. The caudal fin is broad and has a ventral notch. The dermal denticles are squarish and flattened. The fins are translucent in some spots, except for the caudal fin, and it has light-producing organs called photophores that cover the entire underside. This means that it glows in the dark a greenish color along his whole underside, except around the collar part. The non-glowing collar portion tapers at both sides of the throat and is thought to serve as a lure by mimicking the silhouette of a small fish from below. Next up, we have some of their behavioral adaptations. The cookie cutter shark is a very aggressive species and attacks virtually every type of medium to large-sized oceanic animal sharing with the habitat with it. Bite scars have been found on a variety of species from dolphins to leopard seals, tunas, stingrays, and even goblin sharks. The cookie cutter shark also regularly hunts and eats entire squid with a mantle length of about 6 to 12 inches, comparable to the size of the shark's own body length. They are believed to be mostly solitary for most of their lives, only interacting with other members of their species to mate. Not much else is known about their behavior as they tend to be very seclusive and live so deep in the ocean depths. Footage of the cookie cutter shark is also hard to come by, so if you end up going deep sea diving, don't forget to bring a camera just in case you get lucky or even unlucky and come across a cookie cutter shark.